Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how we can install pycharm on a Kali Linux machine. Now, pycharm is a IDE for writing Python programs. Now, the first thing we'll need to do here is to open a browser, and then we can Google pycharm download. And then we want to go to the link that takes us to jetbrains.com. So just click on this first link. Once you get to this site, you'll see that we have PyCharm Professional. This is the paid version. If you scroll down, you'll also see that there's a PyCharm Community Edition. So this is a free edition. So PyCharm Community Edition for free. And this is what we want to download. So just click on the download link right here or button. And they should begin the download. It's about 582 MBs. So depending on your internet speed, this could take a while to complete. Okay, so I already downloaded this file earlier, so I'm gonna cancel this. And we'll go to I'm gonna open the terminal, and then I'm gonna cd to the downloads folder. I'm gonna do ls, and this is the file right here with an extension of tar.gz, so it's a compressed tar file. Now, in order for us to extract or decompress it, we'll use sudo tar xzf and then pycharm. I'm going to use tab completion here, and then I'm going to send this to the directory. I'm going to put in my password. The next step will be to navigate to the op directory so we can see the contents of that file. So let me open another terminal here. cd to the op directory. I'm going to do ls. So this is the directory that was created here. Let's cd to it. And let's list the contents. So we have bin, help, and other files in here. Let's cd to the bin folder and do ls again. Now the file we are looking for is this one right here. This is what we need to run. Let me clear here, ls again. We need to run this file. We'll go ahead and do sudo /pycharm. And here we'll put a password. And we have to confirm. So here we have to agree to the user agreement. So check this box here to confirm that you've read all this. Then click on continue. And here I'm gonna say don't send. And here we have pycharm. Okay, you can click on this to do more settings. You can click on the options menu, and then you can create a desktop entry. So click on that. You can create a desktop entry for easier starting pycharm from a system menu. So we'll click on this to create the entry for all users. And then we can click OK. And we can click on X. Now let's just go ahead and close all this. Now to open pycharm, you can click on the applications or the Kali icon right here. Then you'll need to search for pycharm. And this is it, pycharm Community Edition. Now, if you wanted to create an actual desktop shortcut, you can right click on it and do add to desktop. Then you can close this and there it is. Now to open it, just click on it and they should open. Just click on continue, don't send, and don't show. And you can create a new project. And there you are. You can start writing your Python programs inside of PyCharm. That's all for this video. That's how you can install PyCharm on Kali Linux. I hope this video has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.